Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice little tool you could use to find security descriptor information for your services in Windows. So let's say you're using the services tool in Windows to look at your services, and you go to the properties of the DHCP client, for example. You have your path to the executable, description, the name. You can start and stop it. If you go to the login tab, you can see it's using the local service account. And then of course you could change it if you have a real good reason to do so. And you have some recovery options and dependencies. So let's say you want to find some information about the service. You can run the SC command from the command line. So that's service control, and then SD show. So we'll do it for the DHCP client. So you can see it gives us all this gibberish right here, which may not be too helpful. And I have this kind of broken down as to what this is doing here. So what everything stands for, AU authenticated users, permissions for create child, the network operators, built-in administrators, local logon users, local system, and so on. And if you'd want to edit these, you could use the SC SDSet command to edit the permissions. So if you want an easier way to view this information, you could use a free tool here called Service Permissions Reporter. So this is by CJWDEV. So this is an older tool, and they also have a few nice tools that you could use to manage your Active Directory environment. So we've done some videos on that. So unfortunately, they have not been really keeping up to date on their software or updating them, but this is still available to use. So once you install it, you can just pick your machine. I'm on the local machine here. It'll load your services, and you go to the one you want. So I'm on the DHCP client. So you can see here we have all the user accounts broken down here. So this one here is for remote desktop, and you can kind of see what they all do here. But unfortunately, if you want to edit the permissions, it says this feature is not available yet, and I don't know if it will be since this has not been updated in a while and it still says beta. And you could actually copy the SDDL. Let's say we go to Notepad here, paste it in, and you can see that kind of looks the same as what we have here. So that's another nice feature if you want to just quickly get the information for each service without having to run the command on each one separately. So it would be nice if you could edit it, but unfortunately you can't, and I don't know if you will ever be able to. But if you just need a quick way to view the permissions, you could use this tool to do so. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Service Permissions Reporter, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.